nothing is more important to us than our health, for ourselves and even more important for the people we love. We are willing to do a lot for this. And we are happy about research that will help us to heal diseases even better in the future. What will medicine look like in the near future? Will robots treat us? Can the fight against infections be won in new ways? The world population is growing rapidly. The danger of the spread of unknown diseases is increasing. Epidemics seem to be a problem of our past for a long time. The pandemic today is teaching us the opposite. Only those who identify infections early can act correctly. A rapid test procedure is being developed in Freiburg, in which very different pathogens, such as SARS-CoV-2, can be detected in a very short time without having to travel far to a laboratory. The special feature? The device is like a mini laboratory that can be set up anywhere. This means that different, for example, completely new pathogens can also be tested.
There are a lot of systems that detect the coronavirus automatically. I think what makes us special is the ease of use. So you can insert the patient sample, the swab, directly into the test carrier, then run it into the instrument without any sample preparation or pipetting steps. And that's basically the only way to make it so easy that you can use it during an emergency situation outside of a laboratory. So it's designed for use at the point of care near the patient to provide fast results where they are needed.
The device even detects multi-resistant germs, often a major problem for hospitals.
One aspect of the technology is the autonomy, that it doesn't need anything else to function. The system has great potential also in more resource-poor settings to enable diagnostics and finding infectious diseases in countries and areas that currently don't have easy access to infectious disease diagnostics.
A major medical advance, because the once powerful miracle drug antibiotics is now powerless in many cases. Despite antibiotics, individual pathogens now poison the body almost unhindered. Blood poisoning is now one of the most common causes of death worldwide.
We have huge problems with antibiotic resistance, of course, and this is one of the big challenges for the future for mankind and for life sciences. Staphylococcus aureus, they are major causes of invasive infections, of bloodstream infections. Some of them are living in our nose. When you're not colonized by a Staphylococcus aureus, the reason is that you have the right beneficial bacteria in your nose. And we found one bacterium that is called Staphylococcus lugdunensis, and they are producing a new antibiotic. So one of the ideas is to bring these bacteria into the nose of the other people that don't carry a Staphylococcus lugdunensis to prevent these people from being colonized by a severe pathogen.
A success on which physicians, computer scientists and biologists work together. Cutting-edge research that focuses on our body's ecosystem. But sometimes even the best immune system is powerless. When cells in our body mutate and multiply uncontrollably, our own body turns against us. Cancer develops. What if a cancer patient was diagnosed and cured in one day? In the Mannheim Research Campus, MOLI, this is exactly the question that is being asked.
One of the core ideas, and where is it necessary that all the people are working together, is to bring the processes to treat patients so close together that there is no loss in this process. To reach this, you have to fill a lot of things. First you have to find medical methods which make it possible to work in this way focused. You have to develop machines and biologic analysis processes in the lab, or machines like robots in the intervention room to do this work which takes weeks today, sometimes, to do that in one day.
Engineers work on this project alongside surgeons and computer scientists. As here in Mannheim, different sciences and industry and medical research are perfectly networked throughout Baden-Württemberg. Last but not least, this makes us the region with the greatest innovative power within the European Union.
Well, it's the mission of the country to have more startups. As we had startups 100 years ago, very famous one like Daimler, like Bosch and things like that. And the mission of the politicians is to come back to this startup age again. We think it's great. Yeah. We have a lot of ideas, and also science is developing extremely fast. So there are many ideas out there. They can be converted into real products and companies. We are fully in line with the mission of the country to support startups.
Baden-Württemberg promotes innovative medical projects. The goal? Health for everyone through ever more individualized therapies.
Wir erreichen vollkommen neue Dimensionen und deswegen auch neue, aufs Individuum, unsere Verschiedenheit zugeschnittene Lösungen. Ich bin zutiefst beeindruckt davon und begeistert, dass wir eben noch lange nicht alles wissen und deswegen auch noch so viel Potenzial heben können, um noch besser zu verstehen, besser zu diagnostizieren, besser und individueller Menschen zu therapieren. Das Potenzial ist im Land vorhanden und durch kluge Kooperation zwischen den Standorten in Baden-Württemberg werden wir dieses noch besser heben in Zukunft.
Baden-Württemberg uses a great opportunity for sustainable success in the medical sector. For the people in Baden-Württemberg, Germany, Europe, and ultimately far beyond the global north. Baden-Württemberg, the land.